Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make clam chowder. First, begin by cooking 6 slices of diced bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat until it's wonderfully crisp. Once golden, remove the bacon and set it aside, but be sure to leave about 3 tablespoons of those flavorful drippings in the pot. Next, add 1 diced medium onion, 2 diced celery stalks, and 2 minced garlic cloves to the pot. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are softened and fragrant, building the first layer of flavor for your delicious chowder. Now let's build the rich, creamy base of our chowder. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour over your sautéed vegetables, stirring constantly for about 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Next, slowly whisk in 2 cups of clam juice and 2 cups of low-sodium chicken broth, ensuring no lumps remain. Add 1½ pounds of peeled and diced potatoes, 1 bay leaf, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Continue to simmer your chowder for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the diced potatoes are easily pierced with a fork. This ensures they are perfectly tender. Once the potatoes are cooked, gently stir in 1½ cups of drained, chopped clams and 1 cup of rich, heavy cream. Bring the chowder back to a very gentle simmer, just until it's heated through. It's crucial to remove it from the heat immediately after this step to prevent the clams from becoming tough and rubbery. Finally, it's time to perfect the seasoning of your clam chowder. Taste and adjust with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed, ensuring the flavors are balanced to your liking. Ladle the warm, creamy chowder into bowls. For a delightful finish, garnish each serving with the crispy bacon bits you prepared earlier and a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley. Serve your homemade clam chowder immediately with a side of crunchy oyster crackers for the ultimate comforting meal. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.